this is Vivek Srivastav sir, and I am here with you to discuss the topic that is related to GK of class 8. So beta, the topic to be discussed today, that is Indian defense aircrafts. Indian defense aircrafts. It means these are the planes, your fighter planes that used in the wars. Okay, so we have listened more and more names in the news, through radio or television, through newspapers, that Tejas, that MiG-21. So what is that Tejas? What is that MiG-21? From where it came? Who is the manufacturer of these kinds of fighter planes? That all you will know with the help of this video. So beta, first start the first topic that we discuss is Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Okay, so what is this? The Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is designed by NATO. Okay, designed by NATO designation, that is a Flanker H. ठीक है, is jointly developed by Russia Sukhoi and India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It means Sukhoi is designed by with the help of Russia and India. Russia and India. Okay. Here, so the aircraft is equipped to operate autonomously in combat over hostile territory. The MKI is equipped with a lateral 30 mm cannon and a range of missile, rockets and bombs mounted extremely to 10 hard points. Okay, 10 hard points and wait a minute. The aircraft provides general air defense in cooperation with GOD and airborne control stations. Okay, that is all about Sukhoi Su-30 MKI with the help of Russia and India. Okay, next, that is MiG-21. MiG-21, that is NATO designed FISD, is one of the most widely used fighters in the world outside NATO's influence, having outlived its useful life in the IAF. It is being rapidly phased out. So that is all about this MiG-21. Okay, beta? Now next, that is MiG-29. What is MiG-29? The MiG-29 is NATO designation Fulcrum, has the capability to destroy hostile air targets within radar coverage limits and also to neutralize ground targets. It means it can attack on the ground level and also in air. Okay, both. So using unguided weapons in visual fight condition, the MiG-29 fighter is equipped with 7 external hard points. There are 7 external hard points for air-to-air missile, that is for air-to-air missile and air bomb and unguided rockets. Okay, beta? I hope you all are getting the point. That is all about the MiG-29. So now next, that is Mirage 2000. So what is Mirage 2000? See here, a multi-role combat fighter made by Dassault Aviation of France. It means that is made by France. has 9 hard points. There are 9 hard points for carrying weapons. System payloads 5 under the fuselage and 2 on each wings. It means 5 hard points are under the plane, okay, and 2 in the wings are the both sides. Okay. The plane is also equipped to carry a range of air to surface missile. It means this plane can carry air to surface missile, air to surface, from sky to bottom missile, and weapons including laser guided bombs, and there is included laser guided bombs also. So beta, that is all for Mirage 2000. And now next, that is Jaguar IS or IB. So what is Jaguar IS IB? Let us see. It is produced to meet a joint Anglo-French recruitment in 65 wars, 1965 wars. Okay, for a dual role, advanced operational trainer and tactical support aircraft. The Jaguar has transformed into a potent fighter bomber. Okay, Jaguar is known as potent fighter bomber. So now next, and that will be the last for this video today, that is Tejas. What is Tejas? The HAL Tejas is lightweight multi-role fighter developed by India. It means this is developed by India. Okay, developed by India, and it is tailless. It is tailless. It means there is no tail in that aircraft. Tailless compound delta wing design powered by a single engine. Here is only a single engine. In 2009, it means 2009, the Tejas achieved a speed of 3550 kilometers per hour. It means speed of Tejas, it is 1350 km by hour. It means 1350 kilometer per hour is the speed of Tejas. In kmph per minute, it will be 840 kilometer per minute. So mph, sorry, 840 mph minute per hour. So for that, mph minute per hour. So during its sea level flights trial, it means when the trial of this aircraft was done, he got the speed of 1350 km per hour and 840 mile per hour. That is, both are same things, not different. So thus becoming the second supersonic fighter developed endogenously by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited after HAL Marut. Okay, so this is the second weapon that was developed by India. Okay, after the first was the HAL Marut. So yes, that first one, that is Sukhoi, was also built by India, but there was another country that is Russia, and that is totally built by India. Okay students, so that is all for today. I think you all are getting the points that is related to the Indian defense aircrafts. I will be there with some new topics that you will like to see. So till then, enjoy my videos related to Geo class, or there is a special playlist that is created for GK only. You can watch all the GK related to any class. It doesn't matter. GK is GK. And till then, you all enjoy watching the videos. I will be there with next topic. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.